that this is a popular keyword tool to target. What's up, Amazon KDP self-publishers? Ike Pause here, and today is all about Nurie. This is our coloring book software. We have a brand new update that focuses on a specific coloring book niche that we come to learn about recently, and now you can create it with our Nurie tool. Of course, if you're a Nurie Pro member, you get this at no additional cost. And as you know, all of our tools, all of our software solutions are constantly updated based on user feedback like yourself. And on top of that, I want to congratulate our newest royalty earner, Lionel. He started earning with Monica, our puzzle tool. But that's besides the point. Real quick shout out. Good job, Lionel. Nice work. Okay, let's get into the new upgrades and updates that you get for free as a Nurie Creator Pro member. Let me scale myself down just a bit right here. Let me grab this corner and get real small. Okay, I'm inside of Bose Paws. Of course, you can use Bose Paws for free. We have plenty of free tools here. Just click on this little tool, and actually I'm going to use this one right here as well. It's a free keyword tool. I want to get into this in a little bit. Actually, it's right here, but not yet. I want to get into the new updates within Nurie. So I'm going to put in Control F, put in Nurie, and let's get cracking. Okay, what I want you to pay a special attention to, sorry, I can't speak, is right here. These two, monochrome and reverse coloring. So if I go to the keyword tool, monochrome, coloring book. Oh, by the way, our free tools have all been updated as well to give you even more accurate results. And I put a deep dive, and let's put generate keywords. You're gonna see real quick that this is a popular keyword tool to target. As you can see, there are a lot of green here. That's a message to you to go ahead and create for this niche, for this market. And actually, I want to take this keyword and take it right now and go to Amazon KDP. And I'm going to put it in here. And let me show you right quick. The result count is under 1,000. Again, coincides with what we found here. And you can see this is a very specific style of coloring book, right? Zero color throughout the whole thing. Even the cover has no color. That's how much of a coloring book this is. And it has a minimalist type of design, as you can see. Now let's create this using Nurie. Okay, so I'm going to go in here and I'm going to put in, well, let's emulate something that's already popping off of Amazon KDP here. And you can see all these have reviews. That means they're selling restful monochrome coloring book, landscape. I'm going to put landscape here. Sorry, let's go here. Put landscape. Okay, landscape. And let's click monochrome right here. And let's go 8.5 by 8.5. No, let's go 8.5 by 11. 0.5 11 letter size, image per prompt 2, prominent multiplier, that's fine. Generate 2 images. I just want to show you how this works. As you can see here, it's already creating our coloring book, and this is a monochrome style. Now you're like, what the hell is this? Well, basically, your end user has to color the gray areas black. That's monochrome coloring books. Don't ask me. I'm not a buyer of this market. I mean, I'm not an active buyer, but obviously people are buying this, okay? It might sound strange to you. Why do people want this? But again, there's a low result count, okay? Low result count, yet higher buyer demand, okay? High buy demand, as you can see. Look at all these books have reviews, okay? All these books are selling, okay? And this is how you do it. You see, here's an example of these monochrome type of books, okay? And ours, as you can see, ours right here These are the best kind. Because this one right here, this example is a bad example because this example here, this is a retrofitted coloring book. They took a regular coloring book and they're just trying to remarket it as a monochrome. That's not how monochrome coloring books are. I did some research already on this. They have more space to coloring black, like you see here. You see this landscape one, there's more color, there's more area to color in black. You understand? That's what a true monochrome is. Monochrome coloring book here. So this here is more of a retrofit, which I don't blame them for doing that. But these up here, these are what actual monochrome coloring books are. This what Nurie Creator is creating right now is an actual monochrome coloring book type of situation. Okay. Just letting you know. And reverse coloring book 2, I'll make another video about that sometime soon. Just want to let you know, if you are a current Nurie Creator Pro member or above elite, you have access to this right now. There's nothing else you have to update, nothing else you have to pay for. This is yours. If you're not a member, join down below and get inside. This is an amazing way to earn online. And by all means, check out our sign up page. As you can see, a lot of people are doing this. This works. And again, our software tools create the best quality books that you can actually promote and sell on Amazon KDP. If you have any questions, let me know down below. But before I go, I have a question for you. So my question is twofold. What is this? And would you eat it? Let me know. Be good. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video and the guides that I create. That really helps me to know what I should create next. Be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.